Hello, and welcome to Learn English with Podcast. This is the podcast where you can listen slowly, practice shadowing, and improve your English step by step. My name is Andrew, and I'm here to help you feel more confident, more natural, and more relaxed when you speak English. In today's episode, we're going to do something very useful. We will practice slow listening and shadowing together. This means you will listen carefully, repeat after me, and train your ears, your brain, and your mouth to work in English. Don't worry if you don't understand every single word. That's okay. Just follow my voice, repeat what you hear, and enjoy the practice. Step by step, day by day, you will speak more clearly and more fluently. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Many learners tell me, Andrew, I can read English, but when people speak, I don't understand. Does this sound familiar to you? This is very normal. Listening is one of the hardest skills in English. Why? Because native speakers often speak quickly. They connect words. They eat some sounds. They use slang or short forms. For example, instead of saying, I am going to, people say, I'm gonna. Instead of did you, they say did ya. These small changes make English sound fast and confusing. But here's the good news. You don't need to understand everything. You don't need to catch every single word. What you need is practice, slow, clear, and daily practice. Think of listening like exercise. If you go to the gym one time for 2 hours, you don't get strong. But if you go every day for 10 minutes, you get stronger step by step. The same is true with listening. When you listen every day, even for 5 minutes, your ears get stronger. At first, maybe you only understand 20%. Then after some weeks, 40%. Then 60% and more. Your brain starts to hear patterns. You begin to feel the rhythm of English. You notice which words are important and which words are small and fast. And step by step, you understand more and more. Here's something very important. Listening slowly is not easy English. It is training. It gives your brain the chance to hear the sounds clearly, to connect the words, to understand the rhythm. Later, when you listen to faster English, it will feel easier. Your brain will already know the patterns. It's like learning to ride a bicycle slowly before riding fast. What is shadowing? Now, let's talk about shadowing. Maybe this is a new word for you. Shadowing is simple. It means listen and repeat at the same time. Like a shadow follows you. Your voice follows the speaker. Don't stop. Don't translate. Don't worry about mistakes. Just copy the sound. Let's try together. I'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? I am learning English. I listen to English every day. Shadowing makes me stronger. Good job. That is shadowing. Now, let's do more for you to practice. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch that first. In today's episode, we will use breakfast vocabulary-rich sentences perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast every morning. I drink a cup of coffee. I like tea with sugar. I have bread and butter. I eat eggs for breakfast. Sometimes I eat fried eggs. Sometimes I eat boiled eggs. I like to eat cereal with milk. I put fruit in my cereal. I eat a banana in the morning. I drink a glass of orange juice. I eat pancakes on Sunday. I put honey on my pancakes. I eat yogurt with strawberries. I like to drink hot chocolate. I don't eat a big breakfast. I eat toast with jam. I make coffee in the kitchen. I eat with my family in the morning. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. Great job today. You repeated many sentences about breakfast, and that's amazing. So, how can you practice English every day, even if you're busy? I'll give you 5 easy tips you can use right now. Tip 1. Listen to short English every day. You don't need 1 hour. You don't need a teacher. Just 10 minutes of listening is enough. Podcasts, songs, YouTube, short stories. Choose what you enjoy. You can listen while walking, cooking, or resting. Make English your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Don't only listen, use your voice. Repeat the sentences you hear. Copy the rhythm, copy the tone. Tip 3. Think in English. This is very powerful. Start with small thoughts. When you wake up, good morning. I am sleepy. I want coffee. When you go outside, the sun is bright. The air is fresh. These small thoughts help you connect directly to English without translation. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is better. It trains your mouth, your tongue, and your brain. Take a short text, like a story or a dialogue. Read slowly. Then read again, a little faster. Then read with expression, like an actor. This is speaking practice and listening practice together. Tip 5. Use English in your real life. English is not only for classrooms. Make it part of your daily life. Change your phone to English. Write your shopping list in English. Say good morning in English. Watch one short video in English every day. These small habits create big results. Before we finish today's practice, I want to share a short, simple story with you. Stories are a great way to learn English because they use real-life, everyday words. When you listen to a story, you don't just study English, you live with English. Maria is from Spain. She wants to speak English better, but she is very busy. She works every day. One morning, Maria wakes up. She says in English, "Good morning. I am sleepy. I need coffee." She makes coffee and listens to a short English podcast. She doesn't understand every word, but she listens carefully. After breakfast, Maria shadows the podcast. She repeats the sentences. I am learning English. I listen every day. She feels a little strange, but she keeps going. When she goes to work, she thinks in English. On the bus, she looks outside and says in her mind, the sky is blue. The street is busy. I see many people. At lunch, Maria reads a short story in English. She reads it aloud, slowly. Then she reads it again, a little faster. At night, Maria writes in her diary, "Today I listened to English. I went to work. I read a story. I feel happy." Step by step, day by day, Maria feels more confident. English is now part of her daily life. She doesn't wait for the perfect moment. She just practices every day. And because of these small steps, Maria's English gets better and better.